Hey YouTube, this is Sir Rem here. Today we're going to do the install of the Woolich hardware for the ECU flash kit. First part is you have to go remove all the fairings and stuff. You can go watch the video on that and my ECU removal. There will be a link in the upper right hand corner, so go watch it. So the only tools you need after you get the fairing off is a flathead screwdriver and a paper clip or a picking tool, which I did not have, so I opted for the cheaper version, of course, paperclip. Okay, the instructions that you can download from their website are very detailed. There's only one minor addition I would do, and I'll note it in the video as we go along. So the first step that we have to do is remove the middle plug from the ECU. Then the next step is you can use the flathead screwdriver and push down the locking tab. This will unlock all of the pins for all the wiring in this harness. Then the next step is you use the paper clip to push out the little white plug in one of the pin holder places. This is so you can install the ECU reader. Now we're going to install the cable plug into the little part that we just pushed out. And right here I'm showing you which pin that I replaced. Can't quite see it on camera, but in real life I could see that the pin was pushed all the way in properly. Now we're going to use the screwdriver to push the locks back in place so that all the pins are set again. That way the wires will not pull out. Then you can reinstall the plug back into the ECU. Then you can take the wire that you just installed and feed it up underneath the holder bar there. Then you can just put the cable off to the side, and after you do that you can put the plastic cowling back on the ECU cover, and we'll go on to the next step. Then we remove the KDS, the Kawasaki Diagnostic System connector. And then we use a flathead screwdriver again to remove the cover from this plug. And this was the only part that wasn't really clear in the instructions. Once I figured it out, it was pretty easy to do. Then we hooked up the harness that will hook into the adapter that you can hook into your computer. And right here I'm hooking up the adapter to the plug. And here I am plugging the cord from the computer into the adapter. And the other end of the cord into the laptop. And this is what the final setup looks like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you again real soon.